So these guys are here having breakfast.
The cows in these Fort Collins confines are participants in climate research.
So we measure the animals' burps. I have two little boys and they think it's pretty cool that their mom is a burp scientist.
Kim Stackhouse Lawson with Colorado State University says the complex stomachs in these grazers produce the heat-trapping gas methane. It gets released into the atmosphere when they burp.
Or if you want to be fancy, eructates out of their mouth.
She says about 96% of the methane from cows gets eructated from the front of the animal and only 4% from the back end, which makes it somewhat easier and cleaner to measure.
There's one here. He's waiting to come in.
This special stall has a burp catcher, an instrument that directly measures methane in real time.
So that chime releases their treat. So they get a treat every time they come in and get their methane emissions measured.
They burp about once every minute while they eat.
There's the eructation event, 200 or 222. So he had an extended eructation event. That's a pretty good burp. Yep.
The research is still in the initial phase, but they're already learning that what the cows eat, how much they eat, and when they eat it is having a big impact on methane emissions. Stackhouse Lawson says that livestock only accounts for about 4% of global greenhouse gas emissions, but it's a small piece to an important puzzle.
So it may be that we're able to identify a solution that not only reduces methane emissions, but also makes these guys more productive and essentially healthier and happier in their environments.
In Fort Collins, I'm meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen for the 9 News Weather Impact Team.
Next time you see a cow, think about that burping. Colorado State will be running the study through March and hope to have some research published sometime later this year.